Good morning, children. Now, the next topic is properties of HCF and LCM. Number 1. If A and B are two numbers such that A is a factor of B, then A is the HCF of A and B. For example, let's see. Here there are two numbers 8 and 16. Now, as we know that 8 is a factor of 16, so HCF of 8 and 16 is 8. So if one number is a factor of other one, then that number will be the HCF of those two numbers. One more example. We can see here 16 and 64. Here 16 is a factor of 64. So its HCF is 60, the smaller number. Second one, if A and B are two co-prime numbers, then their HCF is 1. For example, numbers are 8 and 15. Now, let's see the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now see the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. So what's the HCF here? HCF is 1. There is no other common factor among these numbers. So 8 and 15, they are co-prime numbers. That means co-prime numbers, their HCF is always 1. Number 3. If A and B are two numbers where one number is a multiple of another one, then their LCM is B. That means if B is multiple of A, then LCM is B. For example, 12 and 24. Now here you can see that 24 is a multiple of 12. So 24 is a multiple of 12. That means what's the LCM? LCM is 24. Now coming to the fourth one. If A and B are two co-prime numbers, then their LCM is the product of these two numbers. So A into B. For example, LCM of 8 and 9. Now 8 and 9, they are co-prime numbers. So their LCM will be 8 into 9, that is 72. Similarly, let's see LCM of 4 and 5. 4 and 5, they are also co-prime numbers. So their LCM will be 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. Number 5. HCF is not greater than LCM. Let's see one more example. There are two numbers 4 and 6. Now, what is the HCF of 4 and 6? It is 2. And when we calculate LCM of 4 and 6, it is 12. So that means HCF is always smaller than LCM. Now, there is one more property which we have to know. It is HCF multiplied by LCM equal to product of two numbers. So this property only we are using in exercise 4.7. So let's see this question. Find out HCF and LCM, and then we have to verify this HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the first one, 56 and 72. Now we know how to calculate the LCM and how to calculate the HCF. So here I am writing directly LCM of 56 and 72 is 504 and HCF of 56 and 72 it is 8. So let's see how to use this property, how to verify this. So first of all, we have to find the product of HCF and LCM. It is 504 multiplied by 8. Result is 4032. And second one, we have to find the product of these two numbers. So, product of these two numbers, 56 multiplied by 72, result is again 4032. So that means yes, it is correct that HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of two numbers.